early though, right? I'm making a family dinner. Yeah, sure. Just make sure there's no meat. I don't eat meat. Bye, Dad. Bye.
Hello.
Is my dad over there?
Hmm?
Is my dad over there?
Who?
My daddy. My dad over there?
Who is this?
My dad. He told me to call this number if I got hungry. I'm so hungry. My dad over there? Hello? She will not feed.
Hello.
Hey, is my dad over there? You hung up on me. I'm so hungry. I'm looking for my dad. He gave me, I don't know if he wrote the wrong phone number down. I'm so hungry. He told me to call this number if I got hungry. Hello?
Sydney, look, I know you miss LA, but there's a lot of cool things.
I ain't looking at the number, but I know it's a joke.
Come on, give it a chance.
So may I help you?
I'm telling you.
I ain't looking at the number. Can't see the voice out.
Oh, yeah.
But no, your dad's not here. Who is this?
Kendall?
Yeah, I feel it.
Who?
Kendall.
Wonderful things are going to take place.
My dad gave me this number and told me to call it.
No, your dad's not here. I ain't looking at the number because I was asleep. No.
You got something to eat?
No.
You ain't got no milk?
No.
No cereal?
No. Can I go back to sleep, please? I ain't looking up no number.
I'm hungry.
Okay, then I'm sorry.
You ain't got no saltine crackers?
No.
You got some hoop and cheese?
Are you serious?
I do not joke when it matters.
Hello?
You know what?
Me and my brother, him, John, he gave us the wrong number. Hello?
But that's cool. We'll get that later.
I know my dad over there. She don't want to answer the phone.
Taken